In this, we'll take number of atoms in a unit cell. A unit cell is repetitive in three direction, and it has lattice points, atoms, ions or molecules. Now, what is the arrangement of these atoms, ions or molecules? Accordingly, we have three types of unit cells. Let us start with the first one, and that is simple or primitive cubic unit cell. This simple or primitive cubic unit cell has got the basic structure 8 atoms on the corners. These are differentiated by some bond lengths, but these are for simplicity. Otherwise, it has a compact structure. In that compact structure, the 4 corner atoms on the corners are joined. So total 8 are joined, and we have this compact structure. This is the basic structure, and we can see one corner atom is shared by 8. One atom is shared by 8 parts, so we have 1/8 of each atom, and accordingly the number of unit cells, number of atoms in a unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8. That makes it 1 atom per. Now in body center, we have total 8 corners, so 8 atoms at the corner and 1 atom in the center. These are again joined together. So in compact structure, we can see that corner atoms are joined not together, but they are joined with the central atom. We have this structure. Again, the corner atoms have 1/8 part, and the central is completely embedded. So number of atoms in this type of body centered cubic unit cell is equal to 8 corners into 1/8 atom per unit cell plus 1 atom at the center of the cube. So the total makes it 2. Number of atoms in body center is 2. Now let us continue with the third one. It is face centered. It has 8 corners, and it has 1 atom on each face also. Total 6 faces are there, so 6 atoms on each face. If we see the compact structure, then we can see the corner atoms are not joined together, they are joined with the central atom. And if we look at the number of atoms per unit cell, then we come out with the formula 1/8 part of, and on each face, which is surrounded by 2, so half portion. So 1/8 of 8 corner makes it 1, and half of 6 faces makes it 3. So that way our total of 1 plus 3 makes it 4 atoms per unit cell. So let's revise number of atoms per unit cell in simple cubic 1, BCC 2 and FCC 4. So total, these are number of atoms per unit cell.